In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TS3429 printer. So these are the ink cartridges: black 243, color ink 244. Switch on your printer and open the front door. So push this handle down. To take the ink cartridges out, press the lock down. So this is a blue lock. Press it down and take the ink cartridge out. So it's easy to install. Place the new ink cartridge color on the color side. Slide it in and just let it go and settle on the lock. Now press the lock up. Same with the black ink cartridge. Slide it in, let it go, settle, and push it up. Now close this door. Once you see the normal reading, that means your printer is ready. So this way we can replace the ink cartridge, and now we are ready to use this printer. Thanks for watching.